Hello everybody, I'm Daniel Montiglio from Foreign RPG, and today I'm with Isabella and
we are going to teach you how to count in Bulgarian language.
Stay tuned.
So Danny, before we start, I'm going to ask you a difficult question. When do we use една, едно и един?
This is a very difficult one and I'm not really sure about the answer, but I think we use едно when it's neutral, like едно куче, one dog.
Yes.
We use един when it's a masculine word, like един папагал,
Yes.
which means one parrot.
Yes.
And we use една when it's a feminine word,
Yes.
like една.
Kotka.
Exactly. All right.
Kotka means cat in Bulgarian.
Right. Now we're gonna start with the numbers from 1 to 10. Which is the first one?
The first one is едно.
Едно.
Yes.
All right. This number 2.
Number 2 is две.
Две.
Yes.
The number 3.
Number 3 is similar to Bulgarian. It's 3.
Okay. Number 4.
Number 4 is четири.
Четири.
Yes.
Четири or четири?
Четири.
All right. Number 5. How is number 5 in Bulgarian?
Number 5 is pet.
Like that. Tell me how is number 6 in Bulgarian?
Number 6 in Bulgarian is шест.
Chest
Yes.
with T at the end. Number 7.
Number 7 is седем.
This is similar than English. Sedem with D.
Yes.
Okay. Number 8.
Number 8 is осем.
Awesome. All right. Awesome. 8. Number 9.
Number 9 is девет.
Devet. 9. Devet. Okay.
And the last one is десет.
Deset is 10.
Yes.
All right. And one very important that we forgot. 0. Which is number 0?
0 is нула.
Nula.
Yes.
All right, let's start from 1 to 10 in Bulgarian. You repeat after Easy.
Едно, две, три, четири, пет, шест, седем, осем, девет, десет.
Now that we learn until 10, is the time to start from 11 to 20. But this is a tricky one because I know that some of the numbers are said in a way but they are right in another way.
Yes.
Explain me that, Easy.
So, let's start from the beginning. 11 in Bulgarian is EDINAISET. We say it EDINAISET, but we write it EDINADESET.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, what about 12?
12, we say it 12, but we write it 12.
Banadeset, we write it. And
Yes.
how we pronounce it?
12.
Okay, 13.
13 is 13, but we write it 13.
What means trinadeset?
13 means 13.
Okay. Number 14.
In Bulgarian, we say 14, but we write it 14.
Keep an eye on that If I say CHETIRSET, people will understand me?
No,
No.
it's wrong.
How it is?
CHETIRSET.
Okay. 15.
15 is 15. Stop.
16.
16 is 16.
CHETIRSET. And how is written?
16.
Okay. 17.
17 is 17.
18.
18 is 18.
And how you write it?
We write it 18.
19.
19, 19. And the last one is 20. We said 20, but we write it 20.
How we say 30?
30 is 30.
How we say 40 in Bulgarian?
40 is 40.
How we say 50 in Bulgarian?
We said 50.
60.
60,
70.
70,
80.
80,
90.
90,
100.
100,
1000.
1000,
10,000.
10,000,
100,000.
100,000
1 million.
и 1 милион.
1 billion.
1 милиард.
And that's enough of numbers for today. Numbers are very important in our daily life, and it's good you to try to learn them. We use them in the shop, we use them with our family, with our friends. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you next time when we're gonna teach you the colors in Bulgarian language. Have a good day!
И ти така, аз така.
Нищо. Супер.
Добре.
If you enjoy this video, don't forget to share and subscribe to Foreigner BG Facebook page and YouTube channel.